Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix card linked to too many accounts on Cash App in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on any of the old accounts of yours that still have the card connected. Now over here, tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, simply select the option of linked banks. Now when you are inside linked banks, you just have to select your debit card and then remove the card completely from those accounts. Now Cash App usually limits how many accounts can actively use the same debit card at once, especially after the repeated account switching. So after removing the card, the restriction may not disappear instantly because Cash App sometimes takes several minutes to a few hours to fully unlink the card internally. So if you are just trying or retrying it immediately, it can trigger the additional security flags accidentally. So after performing this step, I highly recommend you to wait for some time. Now when you're adding the card again, just make sure that the card number, the billing zip code and the card holder name match the bank records exactly. Even small mismatch here can cause the Cash App to reject the card while also showing the too many accounts warning. So you can try this and see if that works for you. Thank you.